What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. All right, y'all. So listen, on this video, we're going to do a quick video on Black Friday because Black Friday is coming up. And if you have a cleaning company, you need to be listening up on these 10 tips that we have on specials that you could be running right now on your cleaning company, okay? All right, y'all ready to get into it? Let's get it. The first tip that I have for you is you can actually run a deep cleaning special. Like call it deep clean bundle or something like that. Now, the way you do this is I would suggest that you partner with another company, like maybe a carpet cleaning company or a window cleaning company, somebody that details cars. I don't know. You have to get creative with this, okay? And really offer a bundle and put a discount on this. Like make it like get creative, you guys, okay? This is the holidays and people need deep cleaning because the family will be coming over. All right, so offer a deep cleaning bundle. That's number one.
Another one, you guys, it could be a seasonal maintenance package. Let me tell you why. Okay, so you know how the holidays are coming up and don't nobody really want to clean their house, but what you could do is you could offer a holiday cleaning package where people can come in and get your house ready for the holidays. You know, you got family coming. You know how we normally do. When we know somebody coming over, they'll call you and be like, hey, I'm on the way, and then we got to hurry up and spruce up the house. Well, no worries. We could create a offer allowing them to know that we could come in and actually do the pre-clean before everybody gets there.
Right. And that includes organizing, decluttering, and all of that stuff. So if you don't usually offer this stuff, maybe you can throw those extra things in there just for the special, okay? Just for the holiday, just for this Black Friday special, okay? So number 3 is offer a first-time customer discount. Okay, so you need to get some more clients in there. Maybe you can create a flyer and first timers get 10% off, first timers 15% off. Okay, so I mean, it's not that difficult. You guys got to get a little creative with this thing, but maybe you can create a first timers discount, just all for the first timers.
Reel them in, y'all. Reel them in.
Reel in those first timers. Okay.
Another thing that you could do is refer a friend. So let's say, for an example, you get your clients in and let them know, hey, if you refer somebody to the team, hey, we're going to give you a 10%, 15%, or, you know, just throw in anything. Like do a raffle when they refer a friend. You know what I'm saying? As many people that you refer, we're going to put your name in a pot, and what we're going to do is going to raffle off $100, whatever it may be. Like, just have them to refer a friend.
Yes. This is, everybody should be building a email list anyway.
Yes.
So you should have a marketing campaign going out to all of your clients, or a nurtured email sequence that is going out to all of your potential clients, and just let people know, hey, if you refer a friend to us, we'll give you a little discount just for Black Friday. All right, so that's another thing that you could do. Number 5 on our list is gift certificates at a discount. Okay, and you can actually do this by going to the gift, what is it called, the gift cafe.
The gift card.
The gift card cafe. Okay, so they're really good. You can look them up, the gift card cafe, and put it on your website and offer a gift card just for Black Friday. You will have a special, a 10% special, a 15% special. You just got to get creative with whatever your special is going to be. Okay, what we got next?
Then another one that you guys can do is a weekend blitz cleaning. Now, let me define what that means, okay? So, you know, Black Friday coming up. You know, the weekend of Thanksgiving, you have the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th, right? So, for that particular weekend, guys, what you can do is you can make a flyer that states the weekend blitz cleaning, and only make it for that weekend. Give them an offer that they cannot resist. I mean, do it all in and say, just for these 3 days, I'm gonna offer a cleaning. Well, you ain't gotta say $99 or nothing like that, you know, but give them some offer they cannot refuse. Okay, you guys, and just for that weekend. After that weekend, it's a wrap. It's over.
It's over.
You ain't gotta worry about nothing else. What's the next one?
All right, I like that weekend bliss. I like that. Okay, the next one I got got is VIP. Offer a VIP membership upgrade.
Okay, VIP.
So just for VIP people, and you can target the clients that you already have and try to upgrade those clients. Okay, so you can offer exclusive membership or loyalty programs to the clients that you already have. Okay, and just try to upgrade the services a little bit. Like if they don't have a carpet, if you don't do their carpets, then try to incorporate some carpet cleaning. Try to incorporate some window cleaning. Like I said, you just have to be creative with it, okay? And I like to partner with other people out there that's doing these things. Maybe you could find another cleaning company that specializes in decluttering, and y'all work together on a price, and booyah!
There you go.
The magic happens. Okay, so that's another thing. You can offer a VIP loyalty package.
All right, you guys. The next one that you can offer is a commercial cleaning package. Basically, what that means is you can target any commercial cleaning company. Let's just say, for example, you have Target, you have Walmart, you have any small department stores, you have any type of let's see here, any tailored commercial properties that you got. You got what? Macy's, any commercial store. You could just see who's offering Black Friday specials, and you can target those particular individuals and make a flyer and say, you know what? Offer them a special. They offering their customers a special, then you offer them a special and say, look, I got you on your floors. Your floors need to be clean? I got you. Any other things that you need, I got some janitorial services for you. Let me offer you this at a discount for Black Friday. Just get creative, like we've been saying, you guys. Like, get creative with it, okay?
All right, the next one on our list is this is one of my favorite ones right here. Offer a holiday party prep package. So being that the holidays are coming up, we got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, we got, of course, Black Friday, okay, and people are getting ready for a family to come over, and they may need help decorating, okay? So maybe you can help out with that. Maybe you can help decorate the Christmas tree, or create the decorations, the decor for whatever event they have coming up. And this can go for commercials as well, okay? Setting up the store, any type of decor. So imagine offering the cleaning and setting up the Christmas tree and the decorations and all that, okay? So just try to be creative with it. You can incorporate some sort of holiday party prep package, okay?
Right, I love it. And the last one, you guys, extended service hours. Okay, like, you know, nobody's really open during the holidays. I want to say the actual day of holiday. You know, they might want to close early, because just think about it. Them department stores, everybody, they say they're gonna close around 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Right.
Okay, extend your service hours. Let people know that you're still open to whatever time it may be. Extend them hours, y'all. Let them know that you can provide them with the flexibility. So just in case if somebody else is closed, guess what?
We open.
Okay?
We open. 24/7.
All right, cha-ching, we got
all right,
it.
man. So those are our 10 tips, man. I hope you guys take it in, listen to this video over and over again, and I hope this video can get your creative juices just flowing a little bit. You know what I mean? It's not as difficult as you think it is. I know a lot of people have came to us and said, man, I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Well, listen, we gave you 10 different ways, 10 ideas for Black Friday, okay? You don't got that much time, so you better get busy. Go on Canva, start creating those flyers, get on Instagram, get on Facebook. Let's get to work, okay?
Share it on all your platforms. I mean, your websites, your social media, all that stuff, your LinkedIn, your Google My Business. Like, come on, y'all. Let them people know.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's make some sales. Let's close on some sales for Black Friday. Woo woo!
Okay.
We out of here. Peace.